Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can enable split screen view in your Realme smartphone, how you can enable that. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on additional settings, and here it is. You can see this. Click on special features. Here it is split view. You have to enable it like this and press back. You have to click on anything like this. I have opened the clock, then you have to just swipe up like this. You can see a clock does not support the splits view. You have to do this with the installed apps like this, Play Store. Then you have to just swipe up like this and open any other app like my files. And friends, you can see the splits view is working. Two apps are working on one screen, and if you want to just back, this will back. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.